Dear students, good morning. Today we will solve some numerical problems on fluid flow around submerged bodies. The experiments were conducted in a wind tunnel with a speed of 50 km per hour on a flat plate of size 2 meter long and 1 meter wide. The specific weight of air density is 1.15 kg per meter cube. The plate is kept at such an angle that the coefficients of lift and drag are respectively 0.5, 0.15 respectively. Determine 1. Lift, second. Drag, third. Resultant force, 4. Direction of resultant, and lastly fifth one, power exerted by the air stream on the plate. Power exerted in overcoming the resistance of the plate. Now you see the solution. We know that FL is equal to CLA rho U squared by 2, where U is equal to 50 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600, which will give you 13.89 meters per second. Just this is conversion. You are aware of this. Therefore, FL is equal to, on substitution, CL is equal to 0.75 given. Area 2 into 1 because 2 meter length and 1 meter wide. 1.15, that is rho, and U squared 13.89 squared divided by 2, you get 166.4 Newton. Second one, FD is equal to similarly CDA rho U squared by 2. Substitution, you will get answer 33.28 Newton. Now the resultant force F is nothing but equal to under the root FL squared plus FD squared, that is equal to, these values you have to put, 166.4 squared plus 33.28 squared, you will get 169.70 Newton. Now the fourth one, direction of force. Direction of resultant, tan theta is equal to FL by FD. You will get theta is equal to 78 degrees 42 minutes. The last one, power exerted, P is equal to the force in the horizontal direction, that is FD multiplied by velocity of fluid. That will give you 33.28 multiplied by 13.89 is equal to 462 watts. Alright? Yes. 462 watts. This is 166.4 Newton. FD 33.28 and resultant force 169 and theta 78 degrees 42 minutes. Okay. Next, second problem. A jet plane which weighs 29.43 kilonewton and having a wing area of 20 meters squared flies at a velocity of 950 km per hour when the engine delivers 7357.5 kilowatt power. 65% of power is used to overcome the drag resistance of the wing. Calculate the coefficients of lift and drag for the wing. Take density of atmospheric air as 1.21 meter cube, kg per meter cube. Solution. Very easy. Data you can write in the form of symbols. W is equal to 29.43 kilonewton. That is nothing but 29.43 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton. Area A is equal to 20 meters squared. Speed U is equal to 950 km per hour. If you convert that into meters per second, you will get 263.98. This is 29.43 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton, that is W. U is equal to 950 km per hour or 263.98 meters per second. Area is equal to 20 meters squared. Okay. Now Now, power used to overcome the drag resistance is equal to 65 by 100 multiplied by 7357.5, that is equal to 4782.375 kilowatt. Now FD is equal to 1000 multiplied by 4782.375 divided by 263.88. That we will write as it is, call it as 1, because we don't know FD. FD in general equation, FD is equal to CD multiplied by area multiplied by rho u squared by 2, that is equal to CD multiplied by 20 multiplied by 1.21 multiplied by 263.88 square divided by 2. Call this equation as 2. Now this is also FD, this is also FD from general equation, so that we can equate 1 and 2 to get the value of CD. So CD we get 0.0215. Okay, 0.0215. Now we can equate this equation and we get 0.0215. Now lift force should be equal to the weight of the plane. So FL is equal to W multiplied by FL is equal to W, that is equal to 2943 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 Newton, that we have seen up. Now general formula FL is equal to CL multiplied by area multiplied by rho u squared by 2. Therefore CL is equal to, we get CL value we get 0.039, whereas CD value we get 0.0215. That's all the answer. Okay, we will switch over to third problem. We shall switch over to third problem. A kite has a planform area of 0.3 meter squared. Planform means wing area. It is flying in wind and the wind velocity is 40 km per hour. The self weight of the kite is 1.8 Newton. The string attached to the kite is inclined at an angle of 25 degrees to the vertical. The tension in the string was found to be 6.66 Newton. Evaluate the coefficient of lift and drag. Take the air density as 1.21 kg per meter cube. Assume that the kite is maintained in air at an angle of 12 degrees to the horizontal. So let us analyze. This is kite, for example. Here this itself is kite. This kite is kept at 12 degrees horizontal with respect to xx, let us say. Then let us assume u is the velocity of fluid which is flowing in the direction of xx. Let this string having a tension of 6.66 Newton, that is P, is acting from the kite at an angle of 25 degrees with respect to vertical, as it is given in the problem. Now the weight of the kite W is 1.8 Newton given. Therefore the drag force FD is equal to drag force FD is equal to component of pull along x direction. Component of pull along x direction, that will be equal to P sine 25, that is equal to, works out to be equal to 2.815 Newton. Drag coefficient CD is given by FD is equal to CD rho U squared by 2 multiplied by A. Therefore, CD is equal to this one. CD is equal to this one. How much? 0.1256 is the CD value. Similarly, now the component of P in vertical direction, there are two forces. One is W, that is acting downward, and a component of the string P, that is also we have to take in the downward direction, but component we have to take, that is P cos 25. Therefore, P cos 25 plus W will become equal to the total vertical force. Therefore, FL is equal to CLA rho U squared by 2, from which we can get the value of CL as 0.349. So, the overall answer is CD is equal to 0.1256 and CL 0.349. That's all. So, usually this problem will be given for 5 to maximum 6 marks. So, in that case you have to answer in 5 minutes, you can do it. But analyze first, take the data properly from the question given on question paper, draw simple suitable sketch as you have seen in this picture, video lecture, and start solving step by step. You will get the solution. Okay, so any number of problems we can do. We will give some numerical problem through Google Classroom or some by means as assignment. You solve it and send it to us for evaluating it. If any major correction, I will let you know, but I don't think you will commit mistake. You can refer books and you can solve the question. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.